The daily rainfall on Jeju Island today was 102.2 millimeters, the highest ever recorded in November since 1923 when records began. Currently, heavy rain and strong wind warnings are issued for the mountainous areas of Jeju Island. With lots of clouds across the country, there will be up to 300 millimeters of heavy rain in the mountainous areas of Jeju Island by tomorrow morning. Heavy rain of up to 100 millimeters is also predicted on the south coast areas of Gyeongsangnam-do Province, Busan, and Jeollanam-do Province. Tomorrow, Seoul will start off at 13 degrees Celsius, Gwangju and Daegu 15 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 23 in Seoul and Gwangju, Chuncheon and Gyeongju 20 degrees. Morning temperatures will drop below 5 degrees next week in inland areas, including Seoul. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.